We're back in action again, doing some construction work today. Rain or shine, make sure you hydrate. So this roof was built by or installed by Rootwork Construction. All right, this is where the next project is happening, taking place, going down. I was chatting with someone. They highlight if I hold myself accountable and take responsibility for the things that I do, and I do. So I purchased these self-tapping screws for metal studs, and I was under the impression that they could be used to attach the skin to it, and I made a mistake. They're too short. So see, you hold yourself accountable when you make mistake. That's the only way you can evolve and advance. So they will be too short to attach or secure these 1/8 thick skin or sheeting. It's a partition wall. The top line measuring to it, metal bit, and concrete bit right there, pencil. This one is courtesy to Canada, the Canadian connection. We got speed square here, more pencil, and X-Acto knife. Yeah, so working on getting my layout all in, but can't do scrap without my level. So I'm traveling back to this location because this is where some of my tools are being stored for this project. Went and scooped this up. We don't have a metal bit to use that. Cut the metal studs, so we're going to use snips. To make it a little bit stronger, we won't cut it off. We'll use that drop. We'll keep the drop and we'll do a 90 degrees and we'll attach that to our stud. So evidence of modern construction was suggested and first started in Africa by the different tribes that was in Africa, the different civilizations that was in Africa. They built permanent settlement structures and homes on the continent. Cutting the studs right now. Studs being cut. Now getting ready to do the layout. That's the bottom plate over there. That's the top plate. Then we already have the two top plate and bottom plate for the cut. So mental note, there are evidence or early evidence of human settlement found across the continent of Africa. And notable and most popular examples are the permanent structures and homestead areas in ancient Egypt and Namibia along the Nile Valley. Took the door off the hinges, the room got too hot. These society developed sophisticated building techniques, impressive construction structures that remain to this day. Building phenomenal monumental structures and homes that withstand the testament of time. Some of these early structures got started around as 9,000 to 5,000 BC. note or make a mental note. Education in the region of Africa saw other permanent settlement and architecture during similar time frame with degree of complexity and immense scale of intellectual building techniques. You have Neolithic cultural emerging in the northern horn of Africa around 2700 BC, in West Africa in 3rd and 2nd millennia BC. Southern African Southern Africa architectural evidence indicates prehistoric human building various type of shelters. Now we're doing modern stuff. We're using metal, and you can use metal wood stud. Back in the day, they used these Neolithic humans built historic human structures with various types of materials. They build these structures in open areas, enhance cave dwelling, and within the last 20,000 years, evidence of wooden structures using wooden poles, animal hide, woolly mammoth bones were used to construct shelters with fire heart inside of these structures as well, suggesting complex social and organizing during an early phase of construction, or during the phase of construction during that period of time. So they used great complex social organization they had in those early periods of creating a community. Let's work out the layout. Now we got ladders, all kind of different tools to help us build. We use levels. A lot of people don't know how to use plumb bob. I struggle with a plumb bob, I'll be honest. Not good at using a plumb bob. But once you know how to use the tools, then you can build a pretty perfect structure. So there's known great buildings and stuff, historic and landmark architecture in the Great Zimbabwe. They use stonework, indicating highly organized and technological advanced society during Iron Age. The ruins dating up to 11th and up to the 15th century, suggesting thriving trading empire within a sophisticated society that was able to build stonework without mortar that withstand the testament of time. This is German in construction right here, German technology. I do know how to build homes according to Germans' engineering and architectural standards for energy efficient and environmentally friendly and sound as well. They said we have power, but there's no indication that there's any electricity here. Good luck, I brought my snips. These are my metal snips that you can use for other types of materials as well. So a lot of society also use timber to build as well. It's a wet season. Trying to see, oh, you can't see the low line bridge from here. Remember, we work for like, shares, and comments. Also, remember to subscribe to the channel as well. Check out about section as well and the description as well. So they use timber in home construction during those times as well, or ancient times. When you're talking about ancient times, it seems like it would be like around the iron slash bronze era. And these different societies that were using these types of techniques worldwide or globally was the Middle East, um, as in Asia, parts of Europe, mainly Africa, Asia, South America, Central America, North America. As people got more comfortable utilizing these different materials, certain types of material became more prominent due to the fact that they were in abundance. In North America, the Europeans began using timber as a form of building in the early 1600s, mainly in the area known as Jamestown, Virginia. Jamestown, Virginia. Jamestown, Virginia. Give a hoot, don't pollute. Help preserve the leaves and our waterways, rivers, creeks, and streams. Put trash in its rightful place. Help beautify the leaves. These are the reasons why you need to come visit and explore Belize. You need your assistant to come and tap into the greatness of the environment. There's a plethora of stuff for you guys to utilize and experience.